Hello, welcome to the lecture and topic for today is cell movement during the gastrulation. So if we talk about during the gastrulation, which is the process of formation of gastrula, what different kind of the cell movements are there? Let us consider this topic in detail. Topic is cell movement during the gastrulation. So if we talk about the gastrula, what is actually gastrula? It is a embryonic stage which is formed after the cleavage and the blastula. And if we talk about the gastrula, gastrula is a cup-shaped structure. It is actually usually having three layers, three layers of the cells in triploblastic animals, whereas in diploblastic animals it usually comprises two layers of the cells. Examples, if we consider the examples of the triploblastic animals, you can consider human, fruit fly, earthworm, mosquito, snail, starfish, lizard, etc. And if we talk about examples of the diploblastic animals, the main examples include poriferans and ctenophora. And triploblastic animals means what? That basically three germ layers which include ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm that are involved in the formation of the embryo. Whereas in case of diploblastic animal, usually two layers are there which include ectoderm and endoderm. And this process of formation of gastrula, that is known as gastrulation. So it means gastrulation is a process which ultimately result in formation of a embryonic structure that is known as gastrula. So term gastrula, it is given by the Ernst Haeckel in 1872, right? So, what is actually gastrula? It is a cup-shaped structure comprising different germ layers, which can be three in triploblastic animals and two in diploblastic animals. So, if we talk about the development in case of the multicellular animals or the metazoans. Metazoans means here body is actually composed of multiple cells, and here the development usually begin from a single cell structure, and that single cell structure is known as zygote. We can consider zygote as a single celled embryo. So zygote formation results by the fusion of male gamete and female gamete, and process of fusion of the gametes, that is known as fertilization. So zygote formation is there. Zygote is a diploid cell and it undergo rapid set of mitotic divisions, which is this event is known as cleavage, which result in formation of two cell structure followed by four cell structure, then 8 cell structure, 16 to 32 cell structure, and in between 16 to 32 cell structure, this particular embryonic stage is known as morula. Thereafter, the process of blastulation is there that result in formation of blastula. After blastula formation, next process is gastrulation, which result in formation of the gastrula. So today our concern is to see what kind of the cell movements that occur during the gastrulation process.